afternoon. Welcome to Great Called Dictionary Tutor. So this afternoon, we want to solve these two equations. And you can see that these are indices. Question. Now, you can write this as 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power x all over 2 raised to power 1 plus 2 raised to power x all over 2 raised to power 2 equals to 5 raised to power x plus 5 raised to power x all over 5 raised to power 1 plus 5 raised to power x all over 5 raised to power 2. So we can factor 2 raised to power x out. So 2 raised to power x into, we have 1 plus 1 all over 2 plus 1 all over 4. Then equals to, we factors 5 raised to power x out. 5 raised to power x, 5 raised to power x into 1 plus 1 all over 5 plus 1 all over 25. So, can see then find this one. We have 2 raised to power x equals to, the SN is 4. So we have 4 plus 2 plus 1 equals to 5 raised to power x into, the SN of this is 25. We have 25 plus 5 plus 1. So, having done this, let's sum up. We have 2 raised to power x into, this one will give us 7 all over 4. And this one will give us 31, 5 to 31 all over 25. So we can, let's divide this one by this and divide this one by this. We have 7 all over 4 all over 31 all over 25 equals to, this one, we have this divided by this, we have 5 raised to power x all over 2 raised to power x. So we can write this as 7 all over 4 multiplied by 25 all over 31. We take the inverse of this to change this one to multiplication. So we have equals to 5 all over 2 raised to power x. So let's multiply this. 25 times 7, we have 35, 5, 14 plus 2, 40 plus 3, that's 17, 75, 175, then 31 multiplied by 4. This one is 4, then this one is 12. So 124. So we have 175 all over 124 equals to 5 all over 2 raised to power x. Now we take the log of both sides to base of this. So we have x now equals to the log 5 all over 2 into 175 all over 125. So this is the value of x. Now question 2. You can see the patterns of this. So let's take this one to this side. So you can write 64.9 times 9 raised to power x minus 84 times 12 raised to power x plus 27 times 16 raised to power x, everything equal to 0. You can see here that this one can be written as 3 raised to power 2, and this one can be written as 4 raised to power 2. And the product of 3 and 4 is inside this place. So let's divide both sides by 16. So we have 64 all over 9 all over 16 raised to power x minus 84 into 12 all over 16 raised to power x plus 16, 27, 16 divided by 16, that will be 1. So we have 27 here. 16 raised to power x divided by 16 raised to power x. So we have 1. So we have 27 here equal to 0. Now let's look at this. You can express this as 3 raised to power 2 and this one as 4 raised to power 2. So we have 64 into 3 all over 4 raised to power 2, that is 2x. This one will become 2x. Then minus 84 into this one, 4 here, 3, 4 here, 4. So we have 3 all over 4 here, this for x, then plus 27 equals to 0. So let's say, let 3 raised to power 3 over 4 raised to power x be y equals to y. So we can write this equation becomes 64 y squared minus 84 y plus 27 equals to 0. Now, if you multiply this one by this, it will give us 48 multiplied by 36. 48 times 36 will give us 64 times 27. So then let's add it together. Minus this, minus this. The minus times minus will give us the product which is plus, and if you add this one together, it will give us minus 84. So we're going to rewrite this as 64 y squared minus 48 y minus 36 y plus 27 equal to 0. So let's factor out. So we have 64 y squared minus 48 y plus minus 36y plus 27 equal to 0. So what is common here? I know 16 is common here. 16 here, 16 and y. 16y into 16y divided by this to give us 4y. Then 16 divided by this, that will give us minus 3. Minus 9 is common here. So minus 9 into 4y minus 3 equal to 0. Now, let's factor this one out. So we have 4y minus 3 into 16y minus 9 equal to 0. So the product of two things is equal to 0. So it means 4y minus 3 is equal to 0, or 16y minus 9 equals to 0. So imply y is equals to 3 over 4, or y is equals to 9 all over 16. Now don't forget, y is equal to 3 over 4 raised to power x. So 3 over 4 raised to power x is equals to 3 all over 4 raised to power 1. So this implies that x, oh, x is equals to 1 here. Then 3 all over 4 raised to power x equals to 3 raised to power 3 over 4 raised to power 2 here. So this equals to this. So x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2 satisfy this equation. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to Great Paul Visionary Tutor channel.